Now, Action 10's Cole Vaughn with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Welcome back, everybody, and good evening. You're looking live now at the Corpus Christi Marina. You see up there in the sky, we've got some pinks and purples showing up as the sun is setting beautifully this evening. Temperatures are right there in the 50s, around 53 degrees. We've got a nice north wind, though, at about 7 miles per hour. That's much better than what it was earlier today, when at some points it was gusting over 20 miles per hour. Now, last night, we did have a little bit of rain move through with that cold front. Those rainfall totals right there near about 1/4 of an inch or so for most of Corpus Christi, about 0.18, though, out there at the airport. The winter across the area, 0.69 out at the Naval Air Station. So there's the cold front that moved through yesterday. We've got an area of high pressure on the back side of it, and that's why we're experiencing the clear skies right now. Not only that, we have a lot of dry air in place, which is helping to keep skies clear. It's going to pretty much do it again tomorrow. So notice what happens on Future Tracker. That high pressure weakens a good bit, and we actually see another cold front move into the state of Texas as we head into late tomorrow. Now, this cold front is going to arrive here in the coastal bend as we head into Friday morning, as this high pressure is going to kind of shrink and go away. Cold front moves through, but we're not going to see a drastic change on Friday morning. That's because the cold air is going to be further up there to the north with that area of high pressure behind this next cold front. And watch what happens. The high actually moves to the east, and so does the cooler air. And that means we don't really get a cold shot from this cold front. In fact, we're going to see temperatures really pretty much remain the same on Friday, despite the fact that that cold front moves through. We've also got an area of low pressure that's going to start to slide into the area as we head into Saturday. And this is actually going to bring our next chance of rain. So notice what's happening here on Future Tracker. A large area of rain begins to develop. It's not necessarily all heavy rain, but there's going to be a lot of coverage with this rainfall. It's going to be scattered around the area, and it's mainly going to be in the latter half of the day on Saturday is what it is looking like. Good news is by Sunday, this already starts to move eastward, and we should start to clear out on the backside of this weather system. So Sunday is actually going to be the preferable day to be out and about this weekend, and Saturday is probably going to be a little damp. So for tomorrow's forecast, we're going to start the day very, very cold. In fact, as temperatures drop tonight, we could see a very light freeze out here into the northwest of Corpus Christi, further up there into the coastal plain. So places like Beeville, Tilden, and Orange Grove, don't be surprised if maybe that temperature dips down to 32 degrees or so tomorrow morning very briefly. Now here in Corpus Christi, I'm expecting us to head down to around 34, so I don't expect a freeze here. Keep in mind, we have not hit freezing yet this season here in Corpus Christi. We go from the 30s in the morning all the way up to 64 by lunchtime. A lot of sunshine throughout the day. 66 for that afternoon high, so a good deal warmer than what we saw today. And notice those winds, they go from calm in the morning to southeast by the afternoon. So the winds are going to reverse as we go throughout the night tonight, and we're going to actually start to add a little bit more moisture back to the air by late tomorrow. Well, now it's time for your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. Gear up with a new truck. AutoNation's New Year New Truck event is on. Rush to the AutoNation store near you. So we see that cold front move in tomorrow night, and it's going to be a weak cold front. And remember, the cold air doesn't even quite make it here. So we're actually at 66 again on Friday after that 66-degree high tomorrow. Saturday, that's when we bring in the chance of rain. That's really our only significant chance of rain for the next 7 days. We start to decrease those clouds a tad on Sunday, but then we really see a warm up on Monday ahead of our next cold front. This one looking to be much, much stronger. Between Monday and Tuesday, it drops us back down into the 50s for both Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And you see those morning lows are going to be headed down there into the 30s. Sonia?
Thanks a lot, Cole. A dry